Angel Bradwell, and I'm going to be teaching you the differences between an element, compound, and a mixture.
Oh boy, this is exciting, Angel. So today you are really going to be teaching us what the difference between an element, a compound, and a mixture. That is amazing. I can't wait to hear all that you have to teach us. Okay, so I have some questions for you, Angel.
Okay.
So, can you tell me what an element is?
An element is a pure substance that cannot be separated or taken apart down into any other substance.
Wow, that is good. Okay, so now that you told us what an element is, are you please able to tell us what a compound is?
Yes. A compound is formed when two or more substances are put together.
Oh, that is interesting. So, now that we know what an element and a compound is, are you able to tell us what a mixture is?
A mixture is a combination of many elements that can be easily separated.
Ooh, separated. That's very, very interesting. Wow, we are learning some science today. So now that you have told us the definition of an element, a compound, and a mixture, definitions were really good. But my question is, if we see one of those, are we really going to be able to know the difference actually if we, walk down the street or walk in the house or grab a book, do something? Are we really going to know if this is an element, if this is a mixture, or this is a compound? So I just want you to help me a little bit more by giving me some examples. So are you able to please give me an example of an element?
Yes. So capital A, lowercase u stands for gold. Capital A, lowercase g stands for silver. Capital K stands for potassium. Capital S stands for sulfur. Capital X, lowercase e stands for xenon. Capital S, lowercase n stands for tin. And capital P stands for phosphorus.
I remember that from nursing school. Yeah, that's phosphorus. You did well. Thank you, Angel. So are you please able to give us some examples of a compound?
Yes, capital N, A, capital C, lowercase l stands for salt. Capital C, O, capital O, and 2 stands for carbon dioxide. H2O stands for water, and NTO stands for nitrogen.
This is really interesting, Angel. I think you're doing a very beautiful job.
Thank you.
So now you have really, given us the definition of the element, the compound, the mixture. And you've also given us examples of an element and a compound. So I'm really excited about the last one. So are you able to give us some examples of a mixture?
Yes. Trail mix is a mixture because you can separate them into groups. Also, you can for salad because you can take the tomatoes out, the lettuce out, the cucumbers out, and also Lucky Charms because it has different colors in it. You can sort them out in different colors. And chocolate milk, if you leave chocolate milk out for a long time, you pour it in another cup, there's still some chocolate milk at the bottom of the cup.
That's true though, because remember when we make chocolate milk for your little brother, and whenever he drinks, and leaves some sitting, you see how the chocolate just settles on the bottom. Yes.
It's very separable.
Yes, and I like that the cereal part that you can separate into
different colors and shapes and sizes.
Wow, and the salad one, I like the mixture, the salad. So you see how Isaac, your big brother, whenever we make salad, he doesn't like the tomatoes in it.
The cucumber.
Yes, he will normally take those different vegetables out and just eat the lettuce.
Blueberries.
Take those stuff out. So that's a good example of some mixtures. All right. Thank you so much, Angel. We enjoyed having you tonight, teaching us what all those beautiful things are. So we have learned about elements, compound, and mixtures. So is there anything you want to say before we wrap up?
Thank you for watching. Bye.